Today on Machine Tech, you'll witness dangerous idiots, oversized transport fails, and heavy machines pushed far beyond their limits. Here, the driver's lack of attention caused a container to spill onto the road, creating a hazard for everyone. Heavy cargo is unforgiving respect. It plan your moves and never rush. In fairness, the truck was transferred to the ground, just not all at once.
Không trúng đụng phui ghe, chích mẹ phui ghe tí. Quá trời chịu không nổi, chắc nó nhỏ. Chịu nổi lực chịu nổi.
Xong luôn,
phải hơn nữa ha.
Ngay vô cái đưa đó chết luôn.
Cái giữa là chết luôn.
Tới.
When your crane decides to break in half mid-lift, you realize the river isn't the only thing testing you. Heavy lifts aren't a game one miscalculation, and even the strongest machine can betray you. Oh man, that crane went down so fast, it's a miracle no one was standing in its path. Ever wonder how you back up a 164-foot 50-meter superload? Every move is nerve-wracking. Experience and nerves of steel come together as the driver guides every axle with precision. Watching this superload inch forward perfectly balanced, you can't help but marvel at the skill and focus on display.
Aquele cavalinho não adianta botar porque ele não passa atrás.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's watch how the rescue team recovers this overturned truck. Oh, this might not be as professional as expected.
Não tão bom de novo, deixa.
Observe the impressive journey of the Liebherr 984 excavator as it is transported across a mining site. The heavy-duty machine is moved using a MA TGX 41.5 truck, paired with a specialized high-capacity trailer, ensuring both safety and efficiency as it reaches the next operational stage. This isn't just a battle of strength. It's strategy, timing, and agility. The spinning excavator tests every skill of our human contestant. Watch closely and see how precision and quick thinking make the difference. The RK5000 is not just massive, it is a remarkable engineering achievement from Czechoslovakia in 1983, stretching 160 meters long and standing 40 meters high. It consumes up to 9,000 kilograms of fuel and moves 450 cubic meters of material per hour, powered by a 15,000-liter hydraulic system. Even after 3 major overhauls, it continues to dominate open-pit mining like nothing else on Earth. Can you even imagine standing next to this thing? This is the danger of unsecured loads. When 60 tons of steel starts moving, nothing can stop it. The cab is destroyed, but the driver survives by the narrowest margin.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the
That
new
steel
guy?
coil dropped fast.
$20.
The
No,
worker
too
moved
much money.
just in time, and luck
No
showed
good-
up
no good
early to work
operator.
today. For one breathless moment, the AS6 froze. Drivers watched destiny tumble in steel and diesel smoke. And today, luck was truly on his side. Pure skill on display. So much skill that the line between expert and reckless almost disappears. A 57.5-meter turbine blade executes a precise 90-degree turn on a Scottish bridge. This maneuver is made possible by the rear steering axle, which allows controlled articulation of the load. Such operations demonstrate the advanced engineering and careful planning required for extreme oversized transport. A vacuum explosion is a powerful reminder that pressure imbalance is not a minor issue. When tanks cannot tolerate the difference, failure happens suddenly and violently. This isn't a stunt, it's a reminder. When a truck rises onto two wheels, seconds matter. The driver makes the call to exit, and that decision likely saves his life. crossing a temporary bridge with a massive truck is on a completely different level. These drivers take real risks to get the job done. Nothing but respect for truck drivers who handle challenges like this. Yeah, I'm really concerned about the air quality around here at After. A lift gone wrong, a pipe gone down. The sound of failure echoes across Tandere.
Escapar.
There she goes.
When lifting capacity is ignored, gravity takes control. A crane too small for the job tried to lower a food processing plant, triggering a full structural collapse.
Whoa.
Well, that's one way to launch a yacht. Bet the owner's heart sank faster than the boat. This is precision pipeline installation. Multiple cranes support the pipe from both sides, maintaining perfect balance between tension and alignment. Load transfer angle control and synchronized lifting ensure the pipe is seated without stress cracking. Engineering at its best. The truck slowly rolls out of the port, every wheel carefully aligned. Streets narrow corners tight, and traffic watching in awe. One by one, the yachts glide behind it, each inch of the road calculated. Every turn is a challenge, but the team keeps control, inching closer to the destination. Moments like this highlight why route planning and speed control matter. With heavy load, stability always comes before momentum. The mighty K71 is buried down to its frame. Mud has swallowed steel, locking tons of machinery in place. But this isn't just a battle of power. It's a test of teamwork, patience, and precision. One line at a time, one pull at a time, the crew brings the beast back to life. The K700 doesn't struggle, it overwhelms. As trees are torn from the ground with ease, the machine demonstrates raw mechanical force comparable to a heavyweight contender at full strength.
И дървото корал, ма е трактора корал. Чи лъжето.
Watching the Volvo L350 HD lift that massive rock feels like watching a surgeon operate calm hands, perfect timing, and zero room for error in a high-stakes game of heavy machinery. Nothing can defeat determination. Loading a 250-ton excavator onto a 750-ton cargo carrier shows just how complex heavy maritime transport really is. Every calculation matters, and coordination is everything. Big machines, bigger skill. That poor cone never saw it coming. Flattened under tons of steel. A small casualty in a great comedy of errors. A truck gets stuck on Bridge North's main shopping street, instantly bringing everything to a halt. Narrow roads, tight corners, and no room to turn. For a moment, chaos takes over until careful maneuvering and steady control finally guide the truck back out. Every foot forward is planned. Every corner demands precision. As this 280-foot-long cold box moves through Ohio's streets, there's no rush here. Every meter forward is controlled. On a straight stretch of road, the focus shifts to stability, keeping nearly 1 million pounds moving smoothly without shock or stress.